management plan.
Okay, catchment
Management plans. All this we have done. I know this took a very long time before we enter the procurement process. And so, in a summary, we enter into Owanta first in 2020, and this year, February, last year, September, we entered the other two sites. So far, so good. Owanta is near completion, so about 96% done. I think they were doing is to put, if I'm correct, we were putting finishing touches to the discharge points because of riprap they are doing there. Then all the other part of it is redressing and putting the ray guards that is left. What you see there, if you go through Abraka Bridge, they call it a culvert. It was not part of the project. However, we felt that with the tensile strength of that culvert, it's not good enough for our project. So we are using part of the resources to give it a befitting culvert so that flow of water will not be hampered.